Eddie G from Grace Fitness 7. And here my colleague Jose is doing a sumo deadlift. I'm going to be breaking down his mechanics here. So here we go. First things first, he gets the bell close to his body. All right, you can see where that bell's going to start. And he's going to get that bell close to his body, somewhere in between his ankles. You can see right there's a bell, and that allows his lats. That allows his lats to get tight. You can see there. You can see he's gonna move those shoulders back, and you can see even the shirt's gonna get a little tighter. That's really good because he's activating those lat muscles, and that's what you want right there. You see those shoulders move back, and his arms are at a good angle. Okay, so you can see the green line there. I'm gonna make a blue line here and compare. You don't want the arm to look like that straight down. You do want the arm to be at an angle, and that's the correct position, because if you're recording yourself at the gym, or your friends are recording you at the gym or at home, wherever you're at, these are some things to look for. And you're gonna see across the board that arm at an angle. You'll see it in most every strength book. All right, so that's what you want to take a look at. Also, right before he's about to lift off, right there. Right here, he's about to lift. All right. You want to look at his back angle. If you're a trainer, you want to do this for your clients. You want to look at their back angle. And if you're not a trainer and you just want to activate the muscles, the appropriate muscles during the lift, this is going to be helpful for you as well. All right, so you look at his knees, they're turned out. That's going to help him activate the glute muscles here. And you want to activate the glutes, especially in the deadlift. You don't want to be lower back dominant. The lower back is helping, but also the glutes need to help. Muscles need to fire together. In physical therapy, there's something called glute amnesia, where the glutes have forgotten how to fire because they're not being used. A lot of people with lower back issues and knee issues as well are not activating those glutes. Now, the glute medius is really important in knee health and also lower back health. People don't think, oh, I have knee problems. Maybe it's the glutes. People don't think that way, but we should start thinking this way, because these are the latest studies that have been coming out. Okay, so we're going to zoom out. We're going to see him drive up. We're going to see him drive up here. And again, I might repeat myself a few times here, but I just want to make a point of his back angle again. That's at a good angle there. And you're going to see his shoulders just come up here and back, and then his hips come forward. And you see that a lot of stuff's going on, but that's why I'm using the app, so I can write on the screen here so you can see what I'm talking about. Because I can just talk about, and you'd be like, okay, yeah, I get it. But, you know, with these drawings, it helps out a lot. It helps me out when I was getting my analysis years ago by a trainer that I hired. So I'm going ahead and I'm doing that. I'm just trying to start a network of people, whether you're a trainer, you're trying to help your clients, or you're just somebody who's into fitness. You know, take advantage of technology. Everybody has a phone now. You can film yourself at home, at the gym, wherever you're at, and look for these things. So again, as he goes down, the back angle. There's a back angle I recommend. You will see some people with this back angle here, a little more upright, which is okay. I just recommend the one in the green there. And then again, the glutes. Can't emphasize this enough. And then the reason why the knees are turned out, that's going to activate more glutes. Okay? That's going to get more glutes involved. And that's what you want. And again, from there, he's just going to drive up. Just drive right up. And you see he keeps a good back angle there. All right, and the shoulders go back and the hips come forward. And he's driving in there. You know, during these times, we got to stay healthy. So you're seeing him get vitamin D there. Getting exercise, both things there, boost the immune function. So please stay healthy during these times. I know a lot of gyms are closing, so you can use these tips at home. If you like what you're seeing, you know, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video analysis and you want a video analysis, go ahead and send the video in. I'm going to do a free analysis once a week to the first person who sends their video in, whether it be the squat, the deadlift, the bench press, etc. Send it in an MP4 format. Again, send that in an MP4 format. I'll be able to break it down for you and add it to my YouTube channel. And if you like what you're seeing, subscribe, hit the bell, share, and like. Again, just want to start a network of trainers or people who just like to work out in general. And we can help each other out, all right? Stay up, stay positive.